Hello, what's up guys? Welcome po sa aking YouTube channel. Ako nga pala inyong Kuya Carl. So, ang date po ngayon is tingnan natin yung date. Right now, ang date ngayon is Monday, August 4, 2025. So, ngayon is Heritage Day sa Alberta. At ang gagawin natin ngayon is I will update you guys sa aking Wealthsimple portfolio. Sa tingnan na rin natin yung aking kinita for the month of July. Kung magkano kinita natin sa dividends. So, i-look up natin yung ating Wealthsimple portfolio kung ano na nangyari. Okay, right now guys, bumagsak ngayon ng stock market. Nangyari is, naging 32,609.38 na lang ang aking balance ngayon. So, ang nangyari kasi is, for sure yan, bumagsak din ng ang pinakamalaki kong holding. Tingnan natin magkano ni Misty. Okay, Misty naging $18 na lang. $18.01. So ito guys yung ginawa ko sa today bumili ako ng 1 share ng Misty, tapos bumili rin ako ng 5 shares ng Alti. Yan. Kasi nung July 31, yan, nakatanggap ako ng ng dividend sa Group D ng Yieldmax ETF. Yan, natanggap ko na lahat yan. Tapos punta tayo dito sa aking in distribution schedule. Yan. Ito yan Ito yung sa Group D. GP 0.4151, GPTY 0.3152, LFGY 0.4737, UDTY 0.1707, RDTY 0.3461, SDTY 0.1463, ULTY 0.1008, YMAG 0.0750, YMAX 0.1646. Tapos sa monthly naman, AIYY 0.1808, AMC 0.6415, APLI 0.4103, ISO 0.2738, MISTI 1.1835, SMCY 0.18515, and then Winter 1.6550. So yun guys yung yung update sa distribution ng Yieldmax ETF. Tapos yan. So 32,609. Bakit naging ganito yung ating So anong sabi sa balita? Basahin natin to. Week of July 28, 2025. Yan. Last week in markets. Week of July 28, 2025. Markets endured a challenging week that saw the S&P 500 6-day winning streak come to an end, culminating in sharp Friday losses after disappointing employment data. While the week began with optimism fueled by trade developments and strong corporate earnings, weak jobs growth triggered a flight to bonds and raised concern about economic momentum heading into August. Here are the highlights. Trade deal with the EU. A breakthrough deal agreement between the US and the EU fueled optimism about global trade, supporting US equities early in the week. Central banks hold steady. Both the Federal Reserve and the Bank of Canada kept rates unchanged, maintaining a cautious data-dependent approach as they navigate mixed economic signals and ongoing trade policy uncertainty. Corporate earnings shine but failed to lead markets. Despite strong earnings from mega-cap tech stocks like Microsoft, Apple, and Meta, the positive results were overshadowed by the broader economic concerns that prevented a sustained market rally. U.S. jobs data triggers Friday's sell-off. Disappointing non-farm payrolls sparked a sharp reversal on Friday, magnifying the week's losses and sending investors fleeing to bonds as labor market concerns resurface. Why it matters? The week's dramatic reversal highlights the market's sensitivity to economic indicators. The fact that strong corporate earnings and a major trade deal couldn't support broader markets underscore investors' concern about both labor market developments and current valuations. Small caps stocks bore the brunt of the selling, reflecting growth concerns, while the bond rally suggests investors are growing more confident in upcoming rate cuts as economic data softens. So ito guys ang nangyayari kasi nung August 1 nag-take effect na yung trade war ni Donald Trump, lalong-lalo na sa Canada. So itong si Donald Trump nagpataw na naman siya nagtaas na naman siya ng additional na 35% tariff sa Canada kasi hindi sila magkasundo ni Carney sa trade deal. So yun guys ang nangyari kaya bumagsak ang stock market. So tingnan natin yung punta tayo sa ating notes. Tapos tingnan natin yung kinita natin for the month of July. Yan. Carl Dividend Income July 2025. Group D July 6, 2025. RSP Misty 421.61, SMCY 16.33, IWMY 0.07, OLT 6.66, YMAX 0.10, total RSP 444.77, TFSA minus 15% tax, Misty 424.87 minus 63.73 equals to 361.14, SMCY 17.34 minus 2.60 equals to 14.74, OLT 6.74 minus 1.01 equals to 5.73, YMAX 0.18 minus 0.03 equals to 0.15, total TFSA 381.76. Then FHSA minus 15% tax, Misty 19.74 minus 2.96 equal to 16.78, OLT 4.08 minus 0.61 equals to 3.71, total FHSA 2049. Margin minus 15% tax, Misty 68.10 minus ito pala yan, 62.51 minus 10.21 equals to 52.31. 52.30. OLT 0.57 minus 0.09 equals to 0.48. Total margin 52.78. Total Group D 444.77 plus 381.76 plus 20.49 plus 52.78 equals to 899.81 USD. Tapos punta naman tayo sa Group A. July 10, 2025, RSP TSLY 27.46, IWMY 0.07, OLT 7.68, Crash 6.47, YMAX 0.09, total RSP 41.77, TFSA TSLY 27.42 minus 4.11, 23.31, Crash 7.55 minus 1.13, 6.42, OLT 7.76 minus 1.16, 6.60, YMAX 0.15 minus 0.02, 0.13. Total TFSA 36.46. FSA minus 15% tax. KSLY $13 minus 1.95 equals to 11.05. OLT 4.19 minus 0.63 equals to 3.56. Total FSA 1461. Margin OLT 0.96 minus 0.14 is equal to 0.82. YMAX 0.13 minus 0.02 is 0.11. Total margin 0.93. Total Group A 4177 plus 3646 plus 1461 plus 0.93 equals to 9377. Group B, July 17, 2025, RSP NVDY 7660, Merni 5.07, PLTY 1.23, IWMY 0.07, OLT 932, YMAX 0.07, Total RSP 9236, TFSA NVDY 7638 minus 1146, 6492, Merni 5.18 minus 0.78 is equal to 4.40, PLTY 1.23 minus 0.18 is equal to 1.05, OLT 8.88 minus 1.23 equals to 765, YMAX 0.12 minus 0.02 is 0.10, total TFSA 7812, FSA minus 15% tax, NVDY 1960 minus 2.94 is equal to 1666, OLT 4.52 minus 0.68 is 3.84, total FSA 2050, margin minus 50% tax, OLT 2.07 minus 0.31 1.76, YMAX 0.10 minus 0.02 is 0.08, total margin 2.07. So total Group B is 5813 plus 4945 plus 1360 plus 2.07 is 123.25. Group C, Pony 8991, Fiat 2.07, IWMY 0.06, OLT 978, YMAX 0.12, total RSP 101.94, TFSA Pony 9.35 minus 0.35 is 7680, Fiat 2.07 minus 0.31 is 1.36, OLT 9.86 minus 1.48 is 8.38, YMAX 0.21 minus 0.03 is 0.18, total TFSA 8672, FSA Pony 2691 minus 4.04 is 2287, OLT 4.82 minus 0.72 is 4.10, total FSA 2627, margin OLT 2.06 minus 0.331 is 1.75, YMAX 0.80 minus 0.03 is 0.15, total margin is 2.09. So total Group C is 101.94 plus 8672 plus 2627 plus 2.27 is 217.20. So total income natin sa July 2025, Group D plus Group A plus Group B plus Group C 899.81 plus 9377 plus 123.25 plus 217.20 is equal to 1,334.03. So 1,334.73 times 1.38 is 1,840.96. So ito yung guys yung kinita natin for the month of July. So punta tayo ngayon sa aking Google Sheets. Kumpara natin kung magkano yung kinita ko for yan. Kung paano natin i-rank yung to July 25. Yan, 1840. So medyo mababa tayo doon sa nung last month. Kasi nung last month nakuha natin yung June 1899.22. Pero ang pinakamababa natin nakuha is yung yung September talaga 1335. Ito yung pinakamababang niya. Pero itong April lang ito yung nung nag-announce si Trump ng Liberation Day. 1604.27 yan. So yan, bumagsak yung stock market ngayon. So kaya bumaba din yung dividends. Tingnan naman natin yung total return natin. So natanggap ko na yung aking dividend sa Misty. Sa aking TFSA nakakuha ko ng 351.85. Tapos sa RSP I got 405.73. Yan. Yung total return ko na ngayon nasa 83.848397% na. Tapos 0.8583. Pag naging 100% na yung total return natin, yung susunod na nakukuha na natin dividends is already free money na, kasi nakuha na natin lahat ng mga in-invest natin through dividends. So yung guys, nire-record ko dito sa aking Excel, sa aking Google Sheet na spreadsheet. Tinatrack ko lahat ng mga nakukuha kong dividends. Para pagka nakita ko yung aking total return, it means na nabawi ko na yung aking investment. At yung mga susunod ko pang matatanggap na investment is kumbaga sa tubong lugaw na. So yun lang guys ang aking update for today. And I hope na I'll see you guys sa aking next video. And just wanna remind you guys na I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just an amateur investor. So lahat ng mga videos ko is only for entertainment and informational purposes only. And take care guys. Have a good day. Bye.